Generative AI tools like Microsoft Copilot can help you deepen, expand, and refine your research ideas. This video will show you how. Open Microsoft Copilot. If you need help, see our video on how to find Copilot in Microsoft 365. Now, imagine you're writing a paper about how social media affects mental health in teenagers. You could try a prompt like this. I am writing a paper about how social media affects mental health in teenagers. Help me narrow down my research topic. This prompt is fine, but it could be improved. Let's try adding more context. I'll add, I am a first year college student. I am writing a paper for a sociology class about how social media affects mental health in teenagers. Telling Copilot who you are and what you're studying can help you get more relevant results, since your research will look different if you're a first year sociology student, or a high school social studies student, or a professor of psychology writing a paper for publication. Okay, now let's try defining the task so Copilot has a better idea of what we're looking for. So I'll add an example of what I mean. For example, by focusing on a specific mental health outcome or a particular demographic. Examples can really work to clarify what kind of response we're looking for. I'll also specify exactly what it is that I want. Suggest 5 ways I can focus my research and give 2 to 3 examples for each suggestion. Okay, this is a very thorough, clear prompt. We've provided a lot of context, and we've told Copilot exactly what we want. Let's try it out. So Copilot has followed our instructions and provided 5 directions for our research. If we don't see anything that's quite right, we can always ask Copilot to provide more suggestions. I'll prompt it to give me 3 more suggestions. Okay, now we have a lot of ideas. I might be interested in a few of them. Like number 8, focus on intervention or prevention strategies. And number 2, focus on a particular demographic. Let's ask Copilot to combine those 2 suggestions. We can continue our dialogue with Copilot and ask it to expand on one of those suggestions and even provide a sample research question. This is a great start for my research. I can begin exploring library resources and databases and come up with my own ideas and arguments based on what I find. Of course, to use Copilot and other generative AI tools responsibly and ethically, I need to make sure to acknowledge my use of generative AI and follow all the rules and guidelines set by my instructor. To learn more about using generative AI responsibly as a student, check out VCC Library's guide on generative AI.